Hey, curious explorers, imagine this. You're 8 years old, the summer stretches on forever, and the days feel like they'll never end. Now blink, suddenly you're 30, and you're left wondering where all the years went. Time seems to speed up as we age, but this isn't just some quirky feeling, it's backed by hard science. In fact, researchers are uncovering startling truths about how our brains process time. Today we're diving into the shocking psychology behind why life feels like it's moving faster the older we get. Brace yourself, because once you hear this, you'll never look at the clock or your own life the same way ever again. Time doesn't actually exist in our brain the way other sensations do, like sight or sound. Instead, our brain builds our perception of time through complex neural processes. The parietal lobe and prefrontal cortex are heavily involved in this, and here's where it gets fascinating. Studies using fMRI scans show that as we age, the neural networks responsible for processing time slow down. This slowdown makes the passage of time feel faster. But it's even crazier than that. Have you ever experienced the stopped clock illusion? This is when you glance at a clock, and the first second feels unusually long. Your brain is filling in the gaps as it shifts its attention. As we age, our brain becomes more efficient in processing routine stimuli, which means fewer new details are noticed, and our perception of time accelerates. Here's one theory that will change the way you look at your childhood: the memory density hypothesis. In our youth, every experience is fresh. Every day is packed with new information. This dense collection of memories makes periods of our lives feel longer when we look back. But as we grow older, life becomes more repetitive. Fewer new experiences means fewer unique memories. And when there's less to anchor us, time feels like it's slipping away faster. A 2015 study from Frontiers in Psychology revealed a jaw-dropping truth. People perceive time moving faster when they engage in repetitive activities rather than novel ones. You know the feeling when you start a new job and the days seem to drag on? Contrast that with how quickly you look back and then realize that 5 years of your life just flew away. But wait, there's more. Our biological systems play a crucial role in this time distortion. As we age, our metabolism slows down. This includes brain metabolism. Some groundbreaking research suggests that our perception of time is directly linked to the rate of these internal biological processes. Essentially, as our body's inner clock ticks more slowly, external time feels like it's moving faster. Here's an even more mind-bending idea: the proportional theory. When you're 10, 1 year is 10% of your life. But when you're 50, 1 year is just 2%. That difference in proportion is huge, and it's why time seems to speed up the older we get. Each year feels like a smaller chunk of your total life, and so it passes by faster. Now for the good news, we can fight back against the relentless march of time. One way is to break free from routine, engage in new experiences, travel to unfamiliar places, or take up new skills. Each new memory anchors you to the present, stretching your sense of time. Mindfulness is another powerful tool. Studies have shown that being fully present and aware in the moment can actually slow down your perception of time. It's like hitting pause on the rush of life. So while time itself is relentlessly moving forward, we have the power to make it feel like it's standing still. So why does life feel faster the older we get? It's a combination of slow-moving brain processes, fewer new experiences, and how we process memories. The crazy thing is that time isn't speeding up on its own, it's our brains that are making it feel that way. But here's the most shocking takeaway: the secret to slowing down time isn't found on a clock. It's about how we live. The more we fill our days with new, vivid experiences, the more time seems to expand. Are you letting the days blend together, or are you actively making them count? Maybe time isn't rushing ahead of us, maybe we've just stopped paying attention. What will you do today to slow down time, even if just for a moment? If you found this video intriguing, share and subscribe for more insights that challenge the ordinary. Until next time, question everything.